So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this gigabyte.com and you can see search here and then enter your model number which is you require the driver and then hit enter. Okay, and click on product and then click to HVS2 and then click to support. Select operating system because Windows 10, 11 both same. Audio driver and scroll down and click to download. It is start downloading. And it is completed. Just single click to open. And double click open and find out setup. This is setup exe. Slow down and then click to yes. Okay, so you run this now, did not come to any error. You just click to run and then next to install it. Just click to yes and then next to install.